Today I'll share with you how to install Kali Linux on VMware workstation. So let's go to the browser and download the Kali Linux. So go to Kali official website kali.org. This is the Kali official website, and here get Kali. You have to go get Kali or download button. I just click on download button. Here you can see the two option is here. One is installer image. There you can download ISO file, or you can download ready virtual machine. So I'll share with you how you can download a ready virtual machine and install on your VMware. It's easy for you. Just click on virtual machine, and here you can see the VMware virtual machine is here. I just click on VMware. Let's see, this is the 7-zip file. Just download on it. It's takes some times. It's depend on your internet speed. So I just fast forwarded in here. Our downloaded is done. Now we just importing Kali Linux on our VMware. So let's go to the folder section. I always save my VM file into the VM folder. So within the VM folder, I just create Kali Linux folder so that I can save Kali Linux all file in here. Kali Linux. After opening the Kali Linux, I am going to my download folder where the downloaded file is here. I just copy and paste my Kali Linux folder. After copying the file, I just extract the file in here. Just click on extract and extract here. The file is extracting. After extracting, we can see the VMware file comes with as an folder. So I just click on the folder, press Ctrl A to select all, press Ctrl X to cut all file and paste on the Kali Linux folder. I want to save my disk, so I just delete these two files and folder from here. I just delete, and now I am opening the Kali Linux with my VMware. Just go to the VMware and open the virtual machine. If you don't find the tab, then go to the file, and this is same thing. Open your VM file, go to the VM Kali Linux, and this is the file, VMX file. Just open on it here. Now I just power on my Kali Linux. This is the ready-made Kali Linux that you get from official website. So I'm just waiting for login page. This is the brand new Kali Linux login page. The username is Kali, password also Kali. Just login. Yes, we got it the login. We got it the home page. So let's go to the terminal and try to ping outside. Ping 8.8.8. Yes, we got it the ping. So I think we can use internet from here. So let's check google.com. Yes, we got it internet and all of things. If you have an internet issue, so just check settings and see the network adapter. If the net is selected, then it's okay. I think you will get the internet. If you don't get the internet, then please see my previous VMware tutorial so that you can understand how the VMware network works. So go, bye bye.